Today's lecture 9 of Basic Electronics is about op-amps part 9.
Welcome to our channel Classfly Community. See, today we will deal with the application of the op-amp, that is the differentiator. This is the circuit for a differentiator. Here we will change the position of the resistance and the capacitor so that we can get this part, that is output is the derivative of the input. Output is the derivative of the input or differentiation of the input. So see, I have given a IC because this is C, so my current will flow here, and this is the IF or IR, whatever we are convenient with. As this VA is equal to 0 because this is the virtual ground concept. If this one will be 0, then this point will also be, so our current will move from this side to this side. So a circuit that performs mathematical differentiation of the input signal is called a differentiator. So as it is performing the mathematical differentiation of this input signal, so it is known as the differentiator. Now I will apply KCL at node M. KCL we all know that it is the voltage by resistance, right? So I wrote IC equal to IF. As here it is C, so I will denote it by C dVC by dt, which I have already done in the integrator part. If you haven't watched, please watch it. It will give you a clarity. And IF will be VA minus V0 and RF or R, whatever. Now I will convert this VC into VI because I have to bring my input voltage here also. So see, I will apply KVL, right? So see, here at VC, you can see that VI minus VC equal to 0, I can write. See, this is my minus to positive. So I know from minus to plus, it will be minus. It will be plus, sorry. It will be plus. So it is plus VI. And this is VC. So from positive to negative, I know it is negative. So it is minus VC equal to 0. So VC is equal to VI. Right? So I got this equation. So I put it here. So C dVI by dt equal to VA, we know this is virtual ground. So 0 minus V0 RF. So when I solve this, I get V0 equal to minus RFC dVI by dt, which proves that output is the derivative of the input signal. Now see the waveform. If my waveform is in square form, I will get an output as a span. Okay. Like this I will get my output. Or you can solve this question differentiator as like this. Qt, we know that charge of t is equal to C Vt minus 0. How Vt minus 0? See, this is Vi. So I represented Vit. This is the Vit. So Vi minus Va. So Va is equal to 0. So I wrote this simply, that's C Vit. Now I know It is equal to dQt by dt, and Qt is I have already done. So I wrote this C Vit. So where I bring out the C here, and it get be C dVit by dt, right? Now see, in the It part, it will be 0 minus V0. In the circuit like this, it is like this, right? So it will be VA, V0 here, and this is the R. So VA minus V0 by R. That is the KCL, right? So when I solve this, I get minus V0t by R. So what will be my, when I solve it, I get V0 equal to minus R It. I have already solved, that is It is equal to C dVit by dt. And this equation is similar to which we have already solved. So you can do any of this part, or you can do both of them in your examination. So basically, what is a differentiator? It is the output which is equal to the derivative of the input, or it performs as a mathematical differentiation for the input signal. I hope all of you understood differentiator also. Till then, be happy and our lecture ends here. And have a great day.
Now it's the code time. The biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. I hope all of you understood today's lecture and thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magazine videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at Classfly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.